The welding cap is an essential item for just about every welder. Unfortunately, designs for this important product have changed little over the years. All that changes with the introduction of the new black Stallion flame-resistant cotton welding cap. We call it the AH1630. You'll call it the most comfortable, best fitting, and flame-resistant welding cap ever made. Uniquely constructed of single-layer flame-resistant cotton, the AH1630 provides lightweight protection from sparks with less heat trapping. Your head feels cooler in hot conditions. The combination of 7-ounce FR cotton and 6-ounce FR cotton stretch knit provides a comfortably snug fit. Available in 3 sizes, the AH1630 fits nearly all head sizes and shapes. And we've designed a deep crown so you can wear the cap exactly where it should be worn, just above the eyebrows and over the top of the ears. Soft FR cotton stretch knit triangles on each side of the cap are designed to provide chafe-free flame-resistant ear coverage. The large bill on the cap, wider and longer than nearly any other welding cap available today, offers more neck protection from sparks and from sunburn and UV rays when welding outside. Hidden within the bill is a flap of durable 7-ounce FR cotton. When extended over a welding jacket collar, the flap provides even more neck protection. To access the flap, simply open the pocket on the underside of the bill by releasing the hook and loop closure and pull out the flap. It's that easy. When not in use, the flap can be folded or rolled and conveniently tucked back into the pocket. Designed with durability for daily wear, the AH1630 is stitched with strong flame-resistant thread, the same thread we use on our welding jackets and other protective garments. The AH1630 is machine washable, with flame-resistant protection through 50 home washings. It's about time someone designed a welding cap that's head and shoulders above the rest. Order the AH1630 today.